Hi guys, I'm Susan and I'm Jabberty, the organizer of PGF. So sir, what is PGF?
PGF stands for Pinoy Gaming Festival.
Yeah, so bakit po ba nagkakaroon ng Pinoy Gaming Festival every year?
Okay, actually we just, yung PGF kasi, our PGF Summer Assembly, they started in 2012. At the time kasi, wala pa kasi mga gaming events or konti pa lang mga gaming events happening. So we wanted to create some event for summer, and we tried to invite several gaming companies to have at least one or two or more of their games in this event na to.
Yan, so saan po ba yung next year, ano po ba balak nyo mas gagawin o sa
actually ngayon kasi, first time we did it 3 days, so now we're second day, which is Saturday. So siguro next year, if given the chance again, and if ever there will be a lot of support from us, then we might do this again for 3 days. But in terms of getting bigger, I think it may be the same, but probably we'll have more or different contents for this event.